Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving into one of the most discussed topics in the world of cryptocurrency, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Which one is truly the better investment in 2025 and beyond? Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, or anywhere around the globe, this video will guide you through all the essential details so you can make an informed decision. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not just names in the crypto market. They represent two very different approaches to digital finance. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, is widely recognized for its long-term value and scarcity. Ethereum, on the other hand, is much more than a currency. It's a platform for smart contracts, decentralized applications, and NFTs, which gives it a unique growth potential. In this video, we'll compare both so you know exactly where to put your money. Let's start with Bitcoin. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created as a decentralized digital currency that doesn't rely on any bank or government. It has a total supply of 21 million coins, which makes it scarce and highly valuable. In countries like the USA, UK, and Canada, Bitcoin is often seen as a safe long-term investment, almost like digital gold. It's used by investors looking for security and steady growth rather than quick gains. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a currency. It's a decentralized platform that allows developers to create smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. This makes Ethereum highly versatile and crucial for sectors like finance, gaming, and even real estate in North America and Europe. For investors, Ethereum offers growth opportunities that go beyond just price appreciation. You're also investing in innovation and the future of blockchain technology. When comparing market capitalization, Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the crypto world. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of over $X trillion, making it the largest cryptocurrency by value. Ethereum follows with a market cap of $Y trillion. Market cap helps us understand how much total value each cryptocurrency holds and how widely it is adopted globally. For investors in high-income countries, this is a key indicator of stability versus potential growth. Price volatility is an important factor for any investor. Bitcoin is relatively stable compared to most cryptocurrencies. Its price moves more slowly, which makes it ideal for long-term investors who prioritize security. Ethereum, however, is more volatile, which means it can deliver bigger returns, but also comes with higher risk. In countries like the US, UK, and Canada, investors often balance their portfolios between Bitcoin for stability and Ethereum for growth potential. Let's explore the investment potential. Bitcoin is primarily seen as a long-term store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a digital asset that could preserve your wealth for decades. Ethereum offers a different kind of potential. Its network supports DeFi applications, NFTs, and smart contracts, which can create multiple revenue streams for investors. If you're someone looking for growth and willing to tolerate some volatility, Ethereum might be the right choice. Bitcoin is mostly used as a store of value or for digital payments. Ethereum's use cases are much broader. Developers around the world, especially in tech-savvy countries like the USA, UK, and Canada, are building decentralized applications, NFT marketplaces, and DeFi platforms on Ethereum. This real-world adoption gives Ethereum not just value, but also a dynamic ecosystem that is constantly expanding. Of course, both cryptocurrencies come with their own risks. Bitcoin faces regulatory scrutiny, and its network has scalability limitations. Ethereum faces high transaction fees and complex network upgrades, known as Ethereum 2.0 transitions. For investors in developed markets, understanding these risks is crucial. Diversifying investments and keeping track of news from regulators and blockchain developments can help manage potential downsides. Looking at historical performance, Bitcoin has shown steady growth over the past decade, attracting both institutional and retail investors. Ethereum, meanwhile, has experienced dramatic growth during bull markets, often outperforming Bitcoin in short-term gains. For investors in the USA, UK, and Canada, analyzing past trends can help decide whether to focus on stability, high growth, or a mix of both. What does the future hold? Experts predict that Bitcoin will continue to serve as a digital store of value, ideal for security-conscious investors. Ethereum, however, is expected to continue driving innovation in DeFi, smart contracts, and NFTs. If you're looking for long-term stability, Bitcoin is safer. But if your goal is exposure to innovation and higher growth potential, Ethereum could be the better bet. Many crypto analysts and financial advisors recommend diversifying between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Holding both allows you to balance risk and reward. Bitcoin provides security, while Ethereum provides growth opportunities. This is especially relevant for investors in countries like the US, UK, and Canada, where access to exchanges, digital wallets, and crypto infrastructure is highly developed. To summarize, Bitcoin is a safe and steady investment, while Ethereum offers growth and innovation. Your choice depends on your personal investment goals, risk tolerance, and how comfortable you are with market volatility. A balanced portfolio often includes both, providing security and growth potential simultaneously. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Whether you're investing from the USA, UK, Canada, or anywhere else, staying informed is key to smart investing. Turn on notifications so you never miss our updates. See you in the next video.